In this video, I'm unboxing and taking a quick look at this AUKEY 10,000 mAh USB-C battery bank. Hi, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I am taking a look at this AUKEY 10,000 mAh USB-C power bank and doing unboxing and a first look at this device. First off, I'd like to thank AUKEY for sending this over to the channel as part of their Team Techie program to get our honest thoughts and a review of the device, and we'll start with an unboxing. Now, I've really grown to like AUKEY products over the past couple years. They have a lot of solid products across a broad range of categories. Recently, we've looked at a couple things like a 18-watt wall power adapter. We've also looked at a couple different USB-C USB cables. So this is the first power bank that I've had a chance to take a look at from AUKEY. There's a 20,000 mAh battery that I'm also planning to take a look at in a future video and a future episode on T is for Tech. But today we're going to take a look at this. So the model number on this is PB-XN10, and obviously you can get this on Amazon. And I will link to this in the description to where you can find this on Amazon. And with most of AUKEY's products, they just come in a simple packaging like this. And so if you open this up, you basically get a few things. So you get their 24-month warranty sticker that you can stick wherever you want. You get your user manual, 10,000 mAh USB-C power bank. It just goes through what you would expect a user manual would have. Basically, yeah, like I said, the model number, PB-XN10, 10,000 mAh or 37 watt-hours. It's a lithium polymer battery. It has a micro USB input and a USB-C output and a USB output. Total power output is 15 watts. And the weight comes in around 6.88 ounces. Yeah, so that's that. So then you also have the micro USB charge cable, right? So the way you charge this is through micro USB. And then this comes in a nice slip case, so a nice black soft touch slip case. So it's actually fairly slim and definitely not too heavy. Which is nice because I have... So the battery bank itself is pretty lightweight and it's very slim. And I already got the fingerprints all over this. It's very slim. See the AUKEY logo there. And you basically have a little power button here. I don't know if you can see that. So you can press that and get kind of like a status indicator LED-wise of the charge level. And then basically have the micro USB in port, have a USB-C which can be used for in or out, right? So you can use it to charge a device if you have USB-C to your device, or you can actually charge this with a USB-C cable, so that's nice. And then you have an out for a standard USB cable. Now, one of the things that's that I like about this is it's super slim and it's pretty lightweight. And now I did a review in the past of this AUKEY, and this is a PowerCore 13,000, so it has a little bit more capacity than this, but it's much thicker, right? So you can take a look at this. I mean, if you put these side by side, the AUKEY is much thicker than the AUKEY, and so for 3,000 mAh difference, it's a little taller, but it's thinner, and obviously weighs a little less. So the AUKEY is what I've been using, but I actually like this form factor a little bit better because it's a little slimmer. And there's been a couple cases where I put the AUKEY in my pocket or something when I'm walking around, and I was at a conference and I needed to charge my phone, and I didn't have my bag with me, but I needed the battery, and it was a little bulky for putting in my pocket. Something like this would be much slimmer, I think, from a pocketability standpoint, or just storing it somewhere, because it doesn't take up as much bulk kind of on the width factor. So yeah, so I mean, it feels lightweight, feels heavy duty, not heavy duty, feels well made, right? It doesn't feel creaky or anything like that. It feels very solid. And so I will flip to the computer and provide a little bit of my input on this device after I've used it for a few days, as I would any USB power bank, and give you my input and thoughts. So we'll jump over to the computer and finish the review there. So I've been using this power bank for the last few days, and compared to my prior experience using power banks, it performs very well. I like the fact that you can charge it with the USB-C as well as the micro USB cable, so that's good. I like the fact that it has a USB-A output as well as a USB-C output. So all in all, it has a good range of connections for your devices. Now, where this might be a problem is if you have two regular USB outputs that you would like to charge with this. There you're a little bit limited because it does have the mixed USB and USB-C outputs. But if you're just having one device or a couple devices that you have different cables for, it may not be a problem at all. So if you'd like to take a look at this device, I'll link to it in the Amazon listing below. And with 10,000 milliamp hours of power, what AUKEY mentions in their description is that you can charge your iPad Pro almost one full time. That's the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, which has a huge battery. You can charge your iPhone XS 3 times or Galaxy Note 9 2 times. So if you have one of those devices, or any other device, I guess, obviously, you'll have quite a bit of reserve power to power your devices when you're on the go. So if you're in the market for a portable, slim, and relatively inexpensive battery bank, I would definitely take a look at this one. It comes in just a shade over $20, and for that amount, I think it provides a very good value. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you sticking around to the end of the video. If you like the content on the channel, please like this video. Please subscribe. It definitely helps me with my ambitions on YouTube. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.